Bengaluru, the Silicon capital, is seeing a steady upward trend in COVID cases, and nearly 70% of the workforce in the IT industry have opted to work from home, while 30% continues to work from office. Now, for many employees with young children at home, work from home has proven to be a boon, while some say it is bogging them down without human interaction. My colleague Srija reports.
IT office campuses in Bengaluru, the Silicon Valley of India, wear a deserted look as cases continue to peak, hovering around 15,000 an average daily in the capital city. The IT industry has once again opted for the hybrid work model. Nearly 70% of the workforce is working from home. Signdesk.com, a software provider that assists businesses in digitizing and automating the documentation process, is now operating with 30% staff physically in the premises.
The total number of employees that we have is about 250 as we speak. Out of that, about 5 to 6% is spread outside of Bangalore. But in Bangalore, I would say out of about, we have about 40, 50 people who are coming into office right now. That's across various locations.
It was only in December that big IT firms like TCS and Tech Mahindra had asked employees to come back to office. While some call work from home a relief, others find lack of human interaction dispiriting.
You don't get to interact with your colleagues. All the calls and meetings are online. So there is no human interaction at all from past 2 years. It's becoming very difficult. You feel lonely, your mental health is not fine. Humans are social animals. So it has to be like how it used to be, because only when you meet people you feel good, you feel better, you get the interactions, you get new ideas. That is how the startups in Bangalore are run. Work from home has made it all difficult for all of us.
NASSCOM has said in a statement that the industry remains optimistic about continued demand for its services and solutions and is prepared fully to continue uninterrupted operations in a hybrid environment.
Especially if you are a startup, if you are a small team where the collaboration is required, decision has to be made fast, and we are a small team taking huge responsibilities. So in that case, what happens is like we have to be in the same table discussing and all, but that's how I feel sometimes it is not very advantageous to work from home.
Botman is a Bengaluru-based cybersecurity startup. It has just 4 employees working in office and feels hybrid model has hit operations. Bengaluru, the Silicon capital, is seeing a steady upward trend in the cases. While 70% of the IT force have opted for work from home, the rest of the 30% in fact continue to come to office. For some of them, we understand the work from home culture has been a boon for those who have young children and also senior citizens. But for some others, what they say is that the work from home culture is bogging them down without a human interaction. What remains to be seen is if this particular remote work culture will continue beyond the pandemic. In Bengaluru, with camera person Govind Murthy, Srija for NDTV.